The first former president to have to enter a plea to criminal charges was Donald Trump, who did so on Tuesday to 34 felony counts of falsifying business documents relating to his alleged involvement in hush money payments towards the end of his 2016 campaign. In a short hearing before Judge Juan Merchan in Manhattan's criminal court, the indictment was made public. As prosecutors presented their case against Trump in court, accusing him of making covert and unlawful payments in order to influence the 2016 election, he was surrounded by his attorneys. If found guilty, he could spend up to 4 years in jail. The first former president to have to enter a plea to criminal charges was Donald Trump, who did so on Tuesday to 34 felony counts of falsifying business documents relating to his alleged involvement in hush money payments towards the end of his 2016 campaign. I listed the names of 3 people who got hush money: adult film star Stormy Daniels, Playboy model Karen McDougal, and a former doorman at Trump Tower who claimed to know the truth about a child Trump had out of wedlock. Former Trump attorney Michael Cohen gave Daniels $130,000, while AMII, the National Enquirer's publishers, paid McDougal $150,000 and the doorman $30,000 each. Despite being asked to do so by Trump attorney Michael Cohen, the doorman's release from the deal was delayed until after the election, according to the prosecution. According to the court document, in the summer of 2017, Trump invited AMI CEO David Pecker to supper at the White House, as a way of saying thanks for his assistance. The false documents that Trump authorized were all created in 2017, according to the indictment when he was president. Alvin Bragg, the district attorney for Manhattan, told reporters that the false statements were made to cover up other crimes, such as infractions of federal campaign funding laws and New York election law. Todd Blanche, the attorney for Trump, told the judge that his client was merely exercising his First Amendment rights, and that he was upset. The court did not impose any sort of gag order, but she did caution both parties against raising the rhetoric. Merchan asked the audience to abstain from saying anything that might incite violence or unrest. Trump traveled in a presidential-style motorcade from Trump Tower in Midtown, where he had spent the night, to the courtroom at 100 Center St. in Lower Manhattan. Before being arraigned, he was told that he was under arrest, processed, and had his fingerprints taken.